Another record number of Arkansans in the hospital tonight battling COVID. Thank you all for watching. I'm Craig O'Neill.
And I'm Rolly Hoyt. Marlisa is off. Governor Asa Hutchinson said simply, it's a bad time to be sick in Arkansas. Hospitals around the state are scrambling to make space for virus patients. So more on that coming up, but let's begin by looking at the latest numbers.
1,435 people are in Arkansas hospitals fighting the coronavirus this evening. That's 59 more than yesterday. The Department of Health says 294 Arkansans are on ventilators right now due to COVID-19. 24 more people in the state have died from the virus.
2,620 new cases reported today by the health department. Makes 5 days in the last week that we've seen at least 2,500 new cases. More than 23,000 cases are active this afternoon. That's 500 more than yesterday.
To mask or not to mask? That's what some school districts are deciding tonight.
With several schools have called special board meetings this week now that mandating masks for students is up to them.
THV 11's Mercedes McKay joins us from Pulaski County Special School District's meeting. What's about to go down tonight?
Craig and Rolly, the regular school board meeting is set to start in an hour with this highly anticipated decision on the agenda. PCSSD superintendent will propose to the board to make masks mandatory indoors effective immediately for all students, staff, and guests. Earlier today, I spoke with school districts that already made this pivotal decision.
We are going to start the 2021-2022 school year the same way that we ended the last school year, where masks will be optional for staff and students.
That optional decision at Benton Public Schools came during Monday night's regular board meeting, where the board also approved to purchase air purifiers for every classroom in the district.
We always have the health and safety of our students as a top priority. We want to see our kids safe, we want to see our staff safe, and we feel this decision will ensure that we do that.
Dr. Joe Thompson and his team at the Arkansas Center for Health Improvement came out on Tuesday with a call for action. They urge for all school districts to require masks indoors for staff and students pre-K to 12th grade.
My fear is that if we don't use all the tools necessary to protect our children, we're going to have more sick, we're going to have more hospitalized, and unfortunately we may lose more children than we need to.
With the rate and intensity the Delta variant is hitting our community, Thompson fears of more outbreaks if districts don't take these steps.
We're at a time and we're at a space with this virus that we need to use all of our tools: masks, ventilators, distancing, hygiene, cleaning. We need to go into the school year as safely as we can.
Over in Hot Springs, the school board voted Monday night to require masks for all students and staff until September 21st.
We hope it's temporary. This is not something we put in place for the whole semester. It wasn't something we put in place for the whole year.
While the short-term timestamp is on the mandate, protecting students when they come back from summer break is top priority.
Here in Garland County, our cases are up and they're high, and it's very scary, and we understand that. And so ultimately, we've got to do what's best for kids.
Both Bryant and Conway Public Schools also have this up for discussion at meetings tonight. Several other districts will be meeting later this week. Live in Pulaski County, Mercedes McKay, THV 11 News.